Alors, anawula Dagban kpamba pɔi ŋmɛni po n-dani yɛli nayili na bɛwa ayi din nyɛli mi po nimaani ŋmɛni po n-yɛri ŋmani la nayili ka gari ti ŋmɛ ni po bimbila nayili n-ŋmɛ ni po waa nayili ka ŋmɛ ni po boliga nayili n-ŋmɛ ni po bɔku nayili n-ŋmɛ ni po buni nayili n-ŋmɛ ni po aligibe nayili ka ŋmɛ ni po n-kirini nayili ni damya pam ni dam niriba pam yiŋ maa ŋun dam ka di biira ŋun dam ka di maara man nyɛla afabila amaa zaɣ' kɔbili ka n-karim m-bi bɔhim baŋsim naan mi zaŋli zaɣ' kɔbili maa tima ka m mali lɛbiri niŋli n-suhi ni bɔri binshɛɣu shɛli kam a yi bɔra yin karimi binshɛɣu kam zaa m-bi turi yɛmi n-daai fa kpama ŋun wuhima karim be yiŋ maa afa nima ata n-wuhima karim m-bi karim bachi zuɣu polo maa ni tumdi tuma zuɣu ka n zaŋ n-chibi nti karim Kur'aani ŋɔ maa zuɣu naan zaŋli n-tima ka n lɛbiri n-tumdi n-suhi ni bɔri shɛm a ni mali binkɔbili ka n yɛn kuli ʒini yuŋ dahin yini ka kpuɣi n-duma naan yu yini yu shɛli n-suhi ni ku chuusi ka n yɛn nya binkɔbili shɛli a ni ku wuhima maa ka sali n-duma Naawuni ka yɛli o chɛ ka chuta kana ani a mali nam ŋun di yɛn nam maa naanzuhi di bee n-paai guhili nam maa yɛn yila a nuu ni so naan zaŋli n-tima ka n lɛbiri n-niŋdi ni suhi ni bɔri shɛm because n ʒini wum maɣina di gbuna ni amaa m-bi bɔhim zaɣ' kɔbili ka n-karim ni ku yɛla zaɣ' kɔbili ka n-karim maa zaɣ' kɔbili n-yɛli a karim ka bi karim baŋsim ka bi karim litaafinima zaɣ' kɔbili m-bala maa yɛm mi mali mi niŋdi n suhi ni bɔri shɛm n-do mi Naawuni yuli n-dihili n-do naan kɔŋko tabili ka mini liiranima beni because ni ku ʒiini n-wumdi binyɛra n-do mi naan yɛltɔɣa ka nya bindɔɣu maa ka n yisina a ni yuli a ba naai ni a ba kpeenima ni a ba pirinima di wuhiri a mi ni so beni liira beni to amaa ti niŋdi mi ʒeera nabi n-gami Dagbaŋ afa kpambi pam n-galinya pam n-tu ninvuɣu shɛba yiŋ maa bɛ pa Dagbaŋ ba ni bi ŋmɛ ni po na yi shɛli la ban ku fuhiri bɛ maŋ maa yuli nya German President ni kana chɛ ka yi zuɣu po tumdi tuma ŋun puɣisi ka di maali la ŋun dim ka di tuli lana na bɛwa n-kpahi ni pɔtira di ti yirigi kpahi ni pɔtira a mini a kpari bɔɣiri zaa ni a wulaanim zaa kpahi ni pɔtiri ya ŋun suma ban su n-yaan fukumsi Kumbɔŋ district maa ban su n-fukumsi m-ba mini m-ma maa zaa kpalila nimaani bɛ district maa amaa ka Kumbɔŋ puuni district maa ka n di yɛra ka Mamman register ni resident Tambale inside ka bɛ lee bi dɔɣi mi Tamale tiŋpuuni m-ba ni m-ma maa ni ku kpalim district shɛli maa district maa puuni m-bi yɛya Kumbɔŋ so bani su n-fukumsi amaa bɛ pɔbila bɛ nina ka zaŋ Dagbaŋ mi boli liɣiri la haali ka ti niŋ chim ka nyɔ kuna tu lala Kambɔŋ naa maa n ku tuumi direct n-videos puuni n-tuo gari videos pɛta m-mi na bi zani ka kɔnsi kana n-kpe Dagbaŋ na shɛba nuu ni n konko barina zuɣu ni ye jeesi maa wali jeesi n-yɛli la be yuli viɛnyɛlinga di nyɛla technology company so ni be region shɛli maa n bela Italy Europe din mi chɛ ka bɛ ti nyɛma tuuta niŋ shɛm maa n nyɛla ninvuɣu so ŋun kongo 2011 2012 age raa paala gba n bɛ mini dɔɣi n bɛ min dɔɣi dafili gbaŋ so laasa maa molta maa 2011 2012 maa bɛ kun tuma mi international protect ni maa ni chɛma ti yuli ni maa ni yɛn nyɛla buni afu bihi n nyɛ buni afu maa a kpa n kɔrinsa polo bɛ booni shɛli n kɔrinsa tani so bɛ mali 5 boys Anthony Dana Dawuni Achu bɛ zaa yira n kɔrinsa tani so na ka bɛ yina 2011 2012 Malta yibe digital ne mention lo shɛli polo maa ne kam na kpe politicians maa ni politicians shɛba ban zaŋ ma boli liɣiri maa bee bɛ maa o maa ma ni tooi zaŋ minti ata n chɛ ka Ghana saɣam naɣ shɛli ŋun naɣ tiɛn goo ŋun ba chɛhi n da yaa na ni balim balim gba ko yɛn balim ma because so n ku tooi goo ma because ŋun ʒiya ŋɔ o daa nyɛla wulana ŋun ku ʒiya na ku tumdi tuma ka ye ni o pɔŋ maŋ maa o daa nyɛla wulana laasa ŋun daa tuma laa tuma ŋɔ mini ata miɣis yi be dihi tabili ni kalim kɔnsata no so 5 boy shɛba maa Anthony Dana Dawuni Achu bɛ zaa yɛla kɔnsata no na bɛ nyɛla bɛ balima nyɛla Dagari nyɛba ka kuli boliga Mustapha o pahila ti ni amma bɛ daa bi tooi nyɛ Mustapha maa n kulisina o daa skip la molta maa Achu maa gba n kɔrisata no so Achu maa gba daa skip mi amma Dawuni min Dana na Antonio bɛ zaa bɛ daa zaŋ ba mi kulisina Antonio maa n daa daŋ kunina pɔi Antonio maa min Dawuni ban daa daŋ kunina pɔi Dana maa zaa tira mali international protect ka John Mahama mini Artemis kana ti niŋ ti chuuta n deeri di ni bɛ kpahi nuɣoti German president ni kana on kana ti niŋ bi shɛhi shɛli maa o lee wuhima ni German president lee wuhima ni Asante Kingdom nyɛ Ghana Kingdom bɔ n bɔri ni ti nyɛmi lahabali miriya dan shɛli kam dagbaŋ naa kam n ti pahi zabaɣa naa kam n ti pahi dan na shɛŋa ni ŋmɛ bunahi maa n ti pahi na shɛŋa ni ŋmɛ nupɔti maa zaa wuni ba na ŋmɛ nupɔti agba pahaya a pahi ba niŋ viɛnyɛliŋa maa ni n kpahi nupɔti agba na yili ka a suwa wuni ba n kira ni wuni n karim n kira yi zaa yi nyɛ ninvuɣu shɛba ban tabili ninvuɣu shɛba ni bɔri ni n kpahi nupɔti takoradi Kekos n kpahi nupɔti yi zaa Asante Kingdom ni Nana-Addo yibi nyɔ private jet shɛli n gbumo Asante King ma o dalimi niŋya vihigu ka buɣi ni liɣiri n ko nyɛ liɣiri dala jet ma because o pa Ghana King yoko nyɛ liɣiri dali German president fly kana nimaani o mina Asante Kingdom gɔgɔ ka gold be Asante Kingdom bɛ ka ko oya bɛ yina oya yila takurade mini de voter regime na kara bɛ gba zaŋ la nyɛ nyɔɣu ka sɛma maa la bɛ tingbani maa luɣuli kam mali salima ka kuti yin gba pulo na North gba luɣu shɛli polo mali kuriti ka bɛ na bɛ niŋ tingbani maa North tingbani maa luɣu shɛli bɛ na bɛ niŋ research shɛli biko bɛ pɔla bɛ nina ka yɛli bɛ shɛli shɛli ka nimaani ʒiya tooni kanna bihi ni kana wuhiya baŋsim n bi chaŋ shikuru amaa di dolima ni zuɣupuri afanim maa shɛba yin chɛ ka Larabawa nim mini asante hilmen Britain's no ma chuta shema chuta sheba no mama dagma far mangalan ya pam nab zina na nang la zina na shoot la successfully karinya imeden shoot la anto zan lochena zan ka shoot le Chama international company di nyala technology company ma bit bo bol lu company ma ne wala company yare di nyala wala company bi American company bit bo bol lu company ma shekara me kenan ma tutala halin ince kap kana tu a shene jen ma tuna de zabras kam mosma biko ba bibia man ba bibia ne man ba bibia ni ma inye tuma ma man ba bibia ni ma yuni ya tuma ma di jese mo man ba bibia region ma so man ba bibia na bia ni ma ba ten ya kwancham ti shela international tuma ne Piquet donc paye wa zam Piquet sembala di shenye la hawa P20 Piquet ka shenye Wiko Piquet ka shenye Samsung Piquet ka shenye Wiko this Oppo Piquet ma yu yareza Piquet na yareza so pa no pote ndan ya na nya amna fa shabna zabra ma pa masolo mpar no potra mbelda kalon so kon koyan to balma tinyala abe te tinyala yanse un pops karanyela won sun sen dala yuli ya tuma international tuma ya ka kambon na so mon bol no zan gara ngona samne na do so pour de plan na yimnya so na do speak English ya ma mpa MPPO ba nana do English on speaker ma di ya no onan gana lala ni sen zo por batuma tuma ko mon ba wo mi nan gana lala ma asati kinda ma o daraja private jet mpa ni na vieho lo sho nya la dala jet ma asante kin don ko lera kalan triya la ba yalla na ma la nama wai kano beben jio yina ngona la afaka mun be gara gangara ibaye gangar biye ni ma ditin nan asante rijin gangar ma zam pona ne ke kaso jirin ne zayiya in kari zayi gana ke yanya gana mbonu ta kare ka be jio ne yina yem bana biya se be gana German president manakata mpuroma yen o de la private jet asante kingdom de la private jet nyana tam kam bongon la la ma sankom yurma ke zano deni best friend kila galanse man be shutomi but ogba pahla ban sankom man ma because dite ka military care bush kabugura so bento shoote kama ban la military ma ba ke ka present ma da drones tin yin yala la ka drones ma ka de capture la ni sen ma be face be drone ma yin kan no operation ma ka drones ma because shabian ka gana ni mja shabian mi yala border different countries ma Côte d'Ivoire man Burkina Faso lot of them hala Togo be shapaya so la nama asante ke mo de la private jet de linkimuna kan wonele yo prove le kari yana chaka bo veo di chira ana mo be chira ta mo ka de la a faso won la video ma so bla yalle nguna link le kan bo de la private jet asante kin mun ko lera namuni nyo wonle pigo no nyela gara kingdom habi yon he gana marathon school asante si yan wuhirame ka bun af ka wuhir be mada ka wuhir be mada tong ka dagbama wuhir be mada tong the highest population bun u da Gomez arafaka bebe in san asante language wuhi Ghana on dumba Ghana dabala ko kana zamme kenya de intelligent drone scam the Ghana sky inyani vosha banshin Ghana first aku kanata calculate ba dagbama mam zapase banjine dagbama na sona boru ba Ghana mun dagbama banku nyela sambande la hala tikena sona bako hatan kanata ta asanta kin ma ya ko na to na garba to ya ko shine la na garba ma kabun ma ga bantimati wanda kanate mie bunu dera ngama na garba ba wa karana la na so mu respecta atra kaya John Mahama 2 years mbona kayo kanse kapala na damya pam because bedira la 2011 2012 ma na banda etini vosha banda bian ma apa bunhaf magba ale yela bra James ogba yela bunhaf na bunhaf ma mi am abet tumo ploma ha lo yakshe ha ko yina ogbara pahya akana kintampo trabono so o mbami o mamam o yumale to bono kwaji kintampo no mamio ogbara pahya 2011 2012 ke kanate de lagrati kama international protect di nyanga kan labna kan duma nawo ko pola poma resmana intike Libya mamanya fitina shere ba burnir ba ishutenir ba bishaw vab fiabma tawle ba ban shana ma silim fa na ma zo ka zama kan hospital tak because sonda kuma ba de cham kante mbe bana farma danya salim fa dabu gara vure kan won so kar ku nzukten kar chibe kar ku ma kama sula ka zama kan amma yule akwa nya de nahnya ka zama kan te intishare so mamanya so banan ma takma no ma bana shere man na ton kan bon tuma pam ni to ta ni to no mesin tuma ni to no stay faire ça ni to no va gagner ça ni to drabe kasha kate bon le bokat buna Ghana guys mami compensation ratuna tuma bami kan dore kada bami azeman dalam o mi kan dore la mashka mila machine ma dogo azeman kada bam dapo fam Abdel Latif o bami kan dore la machine ma tahadi da ban dapo fam ko bami kan dore la machine ma lourma kaw jam shukuru na sama ban santuma yan kam la kuram qable man malam diamda malam nan so ne ya worlo man so ne bodo shashele man to kambe yuma ata kargaro mana chana bikoni an yeye to shaka kanma ni kan wonnon mo akube nan da shi da won yikone bani maliye mangale ni yan nan nyama man be janta pa arab niya wan yere to shen wo yeye to akoya na ye ma gba ye balle to ri nyen do na shen zan na ye ma ye balle ka na no par zon buble ka yara ye balle ma ka yara am borshe ma nan karban to no yin san qur'an ma yin san la ka na on zan na ka ni ani ma ye balle ma mpon na ni na shirka ba shaka ga akan lo ka ni adam nyu a obi ona bezim sim no ko yara to o bezim sim ni ko so hungum la ma kema international document kabatuma ka kambanda so bambuna sante mo obe bien imane kanzon iye ba no miel mo akadi timpona ka sabma be sigila ka yema ka sabma de ka sabma iye ma direct ni bi miel mo de tik kambla de mana fanama nan gwala pa wa ngwala pa ka bandi kpona because kema ne she kema de zabra shaba me yila italien local compass ma chante pe la compagnie wa man so de zabra italien sama ba wula kan ke italien sama ma ka chante pe ka kan ke technology compagnie so italien compass ma italien sama yema ne be na jinyen pe because ben train ma sham yang ma ko train ma nko nyara bilia ka ba sama bia pun kema international competition international tumo man awnya yala di se ngwal ma jia amala pichon France kan mala yuni yale kai wan we tumo yale da gbamba de ke kan nisana de kele kan nisana zan conseil nahni be me jang shi ko mo so pour man to le wo krachen so pore kartun kuma yana kawan we tuma ngel international American company be UN company picture ma Wiko product 2016 bo har ndama bo bonda da na so lala sante kino ma mun na bonan tum sandano manwa kan tum sandana no tuta shilon ke kaba nan mama niri be ka ndala British monata ni zan picture shi wuri ma ya Wiko product ma this man yala 2016 so user la ni kena ka ga so ko halatuma la ga ma boni o yu danya musulmi ba ban ami babonyo because nda kala campement depuis yes mo picture mbala la Wiko ma picture ngale la phone ma so the email man ni user email she pon ma ka za yin ya nda ko da san kun in kon sabla Muhammad mun ka cella mayul nyala sibr Muhammad mun sibr nyala mbayule ka Muhammad mun nyangule ital document gana za ta pa be nyeso jakan lawe 2011 ma ka kan ye to amala so se de yisrat taba de man la kama bangi yila di biya fay karanda ayna ma yira bob shama kanda jakan la 2011 ma ke bilfen ma shir ma ka do mahmara nan tutama ngule nyile je ninya anyela nyam dum do ngira kabanum kan ma ka apata mi ko ke numa la tutala sama hal ke 10,000 UN nuna ma European Union nuna di ke bla zorvi ka sam secret lan tak ma back tak ye e a biela mun bana kan interfere ma nyen labla ya boale Iliasu Gonya warapame 2011-2012 yi kyanta saje kaba nyala yu shangana bonu ma torona kaman da bala dagbam le sora ben katbo Muhammad danglan yarbi bi mbapra mbala de ku close mbapra nyo oba mana mbana ma inya fades danglan ma ba o mana mbana ma family yaba so nyara close friends o mbapra nyo danglan ma kan yarma won kan la kan yarma obi ben katbo Muhammad ora parateni o mana Antone nkwanza tano se boy ma ban kabra ne dawune ban kabra zan kuna face ne James nte pa kwaji ban kabra zan kuna face zab'a be ma da bandage akana mpa ga sora ben ka Paul yupa bono mpa mo yene mpa ma so kanza ko mi o imam to me ka imam pa yule o bo na to ami twi yo be bon o bo na te bon yule ni imam ne bo ne yul bon imam imam bombo ko ora yelma ora pam zab'a bla nyo mpa ko ina mpa be dawa mfagete me amma Ilias Boale Joma Maya at Tangban a district Tarate Gara Bam Iliasu Obaramala International Protect ora pala bam te bam International Protect man ke yezanto kusan kadi la radi asante kindo muni tambel tapam da gbam yiri twam ban twam kayara jom mahamma anyet laksha yinda det dila la sahama yiyis ayisirin su pam ne rebia ka payanga so prenla benyama kan inshel rejin mana nan bi shaka maza in nan bi shaka din de bitak ma kan nan shaka din tare da wani ba mai so ni ma ka ba so yise mi ko bon to nyama kan to injin yon so non fo chante pe pa mais in derma email bala mbato sabra Sacha Ringe Banka, Baguros Maka Boka Volume, last and then to comprehend 20 Sabatima begin. And that I would comprehend 2019 can be comprehend. Cast stop 2022. So, Kabi Jerusalem, Nito no Meshashele. Intaka Bantu Takro Tagaska, no Jashaka Damaba. So, Kabana ya ne be kan fu ne to zan fu ma ti kala ni nye bang la sa ma 2016 ma MB 2017 ma begin kan chan la commission en kono sibre Mohamed mum ka batuma bang ka villa mala ka zahma zanti nen travel am walta zome na man biblo no tori kanatri ye yuan pamba Italians European Union heavy ne yuan present nkala Europe monake lapsma yang tinya magbam that's nka science that's it in so opportunity ma kan mbayala la sama ko malagbam ka i dileti yi bra dipot la Mohamed mama brada ma dangan da palma ko o chama o tizo yo alaye Mohamed mama ma kiamma mino kiamma so brai zamba me laksana yana kati the 24 or 25 international protect Malta so ben deporte te kulsina na ben deporte Mohamed mama no ma kulsina na kati te international protect ngima ra nyela Mohamed separate Mumun separate Malta. Bona na kama Italy yulma. So bon kuliya 1 week so be shapti ma kabiye na 10,000 ma. Ni 10,000 euro ma. Ni tum spa. Be kam na tak 25 bank pal mana. Ka dila 10,000 ma di. Ni kam na tira fa ma yeto. Ko fo mi na ba na. Be kam na tak 25 bank pal mana. The Bama International Protect. In number 11 D94 Malta. Mohamed separate, Mumun separate. Go control. Kora Mohamed separate, Sibra Mumun separate Cabrana Mabashamo Cabrana. 11 D94 number mbala. Mohamed Mama Marangera 11 D93. B 11 D95. Amanda 11 D94. So perla benato corrupt mboy tamazo so no kulma mba jene nkira kra tamal business pa makra antotum mbanya so business natan nanoma ndo anto doso kaban ko kanje consequence la ka nana hal ka mama ntille ko mama be fa yalla be no yamma de be chanya nya chaka ha chimna kazan la kana 2016 kasanga lamna 2014 mazan kana ita Libya ya kanona atmaso kan pira ya ni kana 2016 ma kayisin kana ke euro kana euro mo ya 2011 ma nkema Malta hali trako kema 2011 ma trako kema hala ne sisidi tak 14 km to Lampedusa be 90 km to Lampedusa because tra yulme kabsan de la Malta so 2016 wana kamana nko kila ita na direct CCD Kadret, try kila course na kabade Kenya rescue. Tena ku move. Amitra patre 6 hours be Kenya rescue ka be help the yet kwa man. So ni kena 2016 ma kabana yele gana security. Nena men gom. Mta targam bala inti yirane ni na men go kabden lora di. Inti yirane ka kamwo na ma ko zomo na ko pan so ko inshekemo zo. O de la private jet ye o de private jet ke no la vihu o kaso no di gana lagre o pa gana na ngun ni foso mun politician so mun yina to kuso no yira gana ken that politician ma you will see o dabhala gana kin don maza mun nya las mun kana gana mun ko ni to don ko to kama ko kana an kana ba bunna ma bun diso ko mun do ma new o men de brekum na ma ba tourma bunma bar pam be ya bar pam banda bunma banda zo sabanya dagbamba ben kana ta bon ban kambonse bunna ka tibon kambonse na ka santi dagbama ide won dagbama yana kambonse ma bunma ka tara ya bra kambonse bo za bon ba geseme ben na kana kaban na gawa bene banda be na yele ngadra bi kal bin to bi ra don na bi on na kunjuro o power jia mun ko nyima ha piana so anya jene bunma ba distaba ma ka tumna tiye na garba katrina no tinana ba kun gar tinana ba kun gar nan ko nan pisham gar ba kun pipin gar na garba zamana ka ba na nyina bazana ka tumna tiye na garba na bukai na garba na yan shin ba ka ban nan bidanda kan wannan ma ka san hinna a hitir kan karanta ma akto nan gana ken bin anan ma macuta so ne karma history ta anda bana salutu na ragu mu can anta bame cuta sha anan ma tan waza ana dom na dirla rotar ka ma macuta electric biya na brana in kanna an canti yana garba atam la biti yo kana garba e no kan no o chantam bane o mo barwa kawra ko nan kana banta jirama na garba tarihi ka da banzan jirama hisu danke yimala santi yimale nol ke male da ban so mon yen nan la mo ma wo man kan gerger ne ci kaw ci international secret ci nunu ntuna international kaba zuma ngor nya 3000 kaba jin lorma ka sante kinoma kaba contacter British ni Italians kaba zurma lorma ka yorma 1000 takuma jo compensation ka takuma jo gusiyan zan woyama full compensation bampier ma za so kan za Senegal ga mi ni yele to ashen biko o ba 2021 ma be middle manga mfrenyo ama 2019 kama kyara ne nkonko na ya black na fu 2019 ma big kind bomb bi rabbi to ayunu bon wons to wons so mati ketuma ne mule yina ya gonje ga ma ne kana na shege ga na sham to bira nyinya ko na zanu wo ma nor nesma ke ka kana banyan ke ka gana liabke ikam masinya tayakse it disorder water. It disorder water by the jet, private jet. You are Santa Kingdom. You question you never been Ghana king. When you get that amount to buy the private jet, Asante Kingdom, the German king can visit you. German king, you don't know Asante King is a smoking in the Ghana. You don't know that. How my land you have it. The go there or every corner in the Ghana. I'll talk to you in the German present, no cancer, present. You visit Ghana, you don't go direct to the Ghana president and say, you go to the Ashanti Kingdom. Who is Ashanti Kingdom? Who? Ghana, Germany, your grandfathers buried in the Najewa territory. Arabo, you go visit your grandfathers. The Gombas kill them there. You kill us more than us. Arabo Dale, you go Ghana, your grandfathers, you Germany present. You go Ghana, you don't go north to see your grandfathers, the place that the Gombas kill your grandfathers, they bury them, no 1, no 2, no 3, no 3, no 4, no 5. More than that. You go there, you don't go visit there to see the history with the Ghanaians, with the Gombas. The Ghanaians, the Gombas, the Germans, the war, the having the long years going. You don't go there. You go in Ashanti Kingdom. Ashanti Kingdom, what do you have? What in Ashanti? How much land you have? Check your geography. How much land you have it? The gold get every corner. The gold there every corner in the Ghana. They don't dig it. All the dam can spoil the water. That is what spoil the water there. That still iron there everywhere corner in the Ghana. You go there. You don't go direct to the present. That one make offense you. German present. You tell man to give me pence there. You look in your country. That's what I call your name. You go north. You go Ghana. You didn't visit Nagewa. You didn't visit the Gonja king. Even our capital king said he didn't visit him. Him dig the Ghana before the Ashanti enter the Ghana. Ga dig the Ghana before Ashanti enter the Ghana. Some kind of. Why you got German president? You go visit. You think that Ashanti king the Ghana king? Never. Go back to Ghana. Go visit your grandfathers. They bury them in the Ghana north. Go visit there. Them the history. The German entered the Ghana. White man who entered the Ghana for Germany. No Britons. From the north, what war? Like how you first what war? That time our grandfathers they using their talent and their magic, their something different themselves. German get Ghana that time. So they kill us more, which will kill some of German. They bury them Arabo. Go visit there. You go to Ashanti Kingdom. Ashanti Kingdom never need the Ghana king. I'm talking to you, the German president, Your Excellency. You lock me German 2023, 20 of September. I fancy you. 20th of September, you lock me German from the Switzerland coming there. Because I tell the AI coming to remove it there. You make the catch me lock me Castro City with the you catch me in the Castro City. I from the Switzerland Basel to Frankfurt. Frankfurt I go in. You make your security catch me the Castro City lock me. Because I have no bad ticket. I have the money to buy. They refuse to sell give me. I enter. I have the 300 from Switzerland money inside my pocket. They lock me your country. 20th of September 2023. That's why I fancy you there. Where I tell your history that Ghana. You visited Ghana. Let me go show you that time you give me. You catch me 20th of September 2023. You tell me I have to pay €600. Meter because I'm no bad ticket problem, no big drugs, no robbing anyone, no killing anyone, nothing. Just ticket. Me to an immigrant. I take the AI want enter your country. I have the friends there. So they will help me the doctors. We can pay money to them to remove the AI inside my body. It's electric, battery, data. The monitor you 24 hours. What do you take inside your heart? That's why I come on there 2023. From the France here coming there. From France here, I entered Switzerland. Switzerland gave me commission to commission to offer. I said no, I don't want offer anywhere. I want the AI treatment. That's why I go that one. So he catch me 20th of September. He locked me in Germany. 17 November 17 Friday. You leave me 2 months because if you have not paid that 600 euro, I have to stay 2 months. Nobody say I don't have that money. I have the 300 francs. I still get the money in the France here, but do not allow me to call in the outside in the France. Do not allow me to call outside in the Germany. Only inside Germany I can call. The people who are going there side, I'm not have some of their number there inside the phone. The police call the phone. If you don't look it, they will call your phone, your everything. Your crossing say you know where that cross, you give it a prison clause. You visit Ghana, you visit Asante Kingdom, you did Asante King, the Ghana King. Go back. If you are present, you go Ghana, the person you can visit is the Ghana president. Then Kingdom, Northern Kingdom, the Gomez and the Mompresi and the Gonya, that's crocodile land before everybody come there. You visit Ghana, you don't visit North, where they bury your grandfathers there. History, it's not fight. You do go take your eyes, see what happened that time. That time, the British to enter the castle there at Cape Coast. It's not Asante Kingdom. How much land Asante Kingdom have it? He raised himself. That German war where our grandfathers died make the British enter. The government say they don't want to take their self come closer because they are all of them, they are the same white, maybe the same people. So the governments, they don't take their self come to Britons. It keep long many years. Britons first take their self enter the Gun Kingdom. Before they know that people where they are fighting that before, no them different tribe. So let me go my mother tongue now to tell my Mother Gomez. So ne Rebecca ngwala pa kalarba nan zama larba no menda ban afan zama barla ba ne yili ne ba shinkafa da wace ana machuta pam ko konko kako ka konko shinkafa da wace ka konko banyan pillala banma ban chanta te niveau so brab Mr. T kabte brab intila la Sagans TV Hamza Lansa ka call Britains yes number international portati Italy. I can run all about the world because instant as I am standing the international job. Hamza Lansa to put in senior lawyers. The monitor British say yes, I have the international portal. Don't make the whole in the Italy. So they will allow the Italian to release my international document to me. Because they are fighting how are good are too good. So they never leave me to Americans. Them to they need me their system. So I sent it to cross. How I get like go standing there. The tell my hand like this, the colleague give Asante guy. The Bama can ya my go behera. Mun come in go behera mun ŋun ku nya ŋun ka nyɛ godihira bali maa zaa kan yɛri maa ti tabili ŋman pirisi ni nanumba ti tabili zabaɣasi n gari waa pulo ŋɔ chɛli goma gbihu biri lan zaŋ shinkaafa yi sambani kpɛna chɛ ka nu shɛŋa yin mali nimaani maa chɛ ka nuya maa ka di yi sambani ka paɣa ni bihi maa chaŋ ti ʒi niɛma bi zuɣu ni John Mahama chɛ ka di paagi o tibili man yɛlo lala ka pan laa ni darigi o tibili laɣa shɛli o ni dima 2011 o mini Artemis ni ma tuta shɛli nimaani ka lan pahi sikiriti zuɣu ka bi ni ma tuta shɛli Itali maa n dundɔŋ na nira zaba nyɛla n dundɔŋ na nira especially yin ban nyɛ NDC nim maa yi ku kpala Lordness maa yin ku su luɣuli kam wula laa bin maa ba niŋ ma na bi yɛn kpahi ni pɔtaa chɛ ka bihi maa chaŋ ti ʒi niɛma maa luɣuli kam ka bi kansili shinkaafa bin kɔri shinkaafa luɣuli kam bi zaa chɛ ʒimba shin nim kpɛna ka di sa ku nɔf nimaani ka shinkaafa bahi maa bɛ kpam na ku zaŋla tihi maa ti yuoli kpama maa yin to chɛ ka bi sa taansi maa ka bi pili taansi maa sabu taansi ŋun bin kaɣalin ka kula wanda ka bi zaŋ girida n vuɣuli luhi ka sa taan palli ka nya din yɛn kana nimaani resources bin niŋ resources maa ka saɣandi koma maa ka bi shutiri kuriba maa yɛn niŋla train highway to north maa la kom amaa ko pa kuriba ko bi connect papu nim tiba ko pa kom ko god damn a ku naawun dam ku shɛŋa din do north ni ku mili di gari 15 man yaɣali pulo kumbɔŋ pulo di zaa dola mɔɣu duli dibaayi konkon do duli ŋɔ na ŋɔ maa tinto zaŋ niŋ kon yurim buntaŋ maa tinto zaŋ niŋ kon yurim ti bɔra tinto saɣam biɛŋ ka bɛ kulo maa ka bɛ nawun maa du nawun maa yi bɛla duli an nyɛ nawun daam shɛŋa din doli maa di niŋa lahaʒibisi yi luɣushɛli resources maa ni bɛ yi gbi resources maa zaŋ n du nimaani ha n ti washi nimaani ka train maa lan zaŋ n labi n duna ninvuɣu ŋuni yɛn kpi ninvuɣu ŋuni yɛn saɣam yɛ kon yurim politician chɛ ka zuɣu pa tumdi tuma mi chaŋ shikuru yɛ yaa mi ku tooi doli ma ka labi na afa nim maa sani niriba ka niŋ zina yina afa maa yi niŋ ti waazu yɛli n pa baŋ ni o amaa n tooi karim n yaa yɛn karim kɔli ma malim n doona ma malim pa n niŋ tima ka n lɛbi wɔri n suhi bɔri shɛm n labila afa nim maa sani na yin pa laribaanim zuɣu ka yɛn maa binkɔbili shɛli maa jɛmpuhiri ban nyɛ gbampiɛla zuɣu ka bi niŋ maa binkɔbili shɛli maa niriba ka n gɔlila paɣa ka n mala paɣa kpee so n tooi ku ʒiya la afa nim yɛli an niŋ zina ka yina ka bi yɛli so ka mi naa bi leen pahi ami kon ka paɣa bee ti maa ti mini maa ka pan bi ti ku taala gbana n bi nyaaya na shɛŋ tooi bo paɣa ku tooi bo paɣa naɣala bi taala gbana so di ti ku miiga a kaaya na shɛm ka pahi bi zuɣu n mi tooi sabira 2017 maa ɛni maa 2017 maa beginning ni to zaŋ foon maa ti middle maa na 2017 maa middle maa ni to zaŋ foon maa ti yinkpɛra nima ka bi sabiri ko sabiri n looya siliminsili n foon maa ni to chaŋ ti bɛ yinkpɛra nima sani so just niŋ foon maa niŋ email maa kpɛla paɣaba ni ka binkɔbiri ba zaŋ ana baanu ni kana ba yi bi tooi deeli yi bi saɣi tiba ŋun o ku kunyami kuri maŋli o ku kula laribaanim kuri maŋli ka bi naa ti n saɣito o mini o suhu shɛba ban biɛla ban na saɣito maa ndo naa da ku tuba ya ka ku kuba kuri maŋli ka kuri bihi ka bi daa kuba chɛba yuya video nim maa kenya ka bi ti baŋ ni yɛlimaŋli naawuni tumo shili bala laaha be shɛli bin mali biɛni ŋɔ maa so ka bi mini simisi ŋɔ maa bi ku nyɛ zabiri sa shɛli kam maa yi bi nyɛ sa shɛli kam sahi shɛli bin daa zaŋ o du zuɣusaa n ti yihi o انت كرغو يهو بن سو ما كلا مانا لا هاد ما كو سو ني حكو تكبي زو انا باو كان بسولت انت باو كبونتا كبو ور بن قبل بونتا لنجار دا ما كان افكم مم بيغان تشي يا بن قبل بيلا ما ندري مربا كاتشو باما كاي سامان تون بوم بوم لا ني باي يو اندو دارو تبل di pueblo mo nka paga ka kana sementena ba moni yene he no mo nembia international inchela italian tumane ka chan ke italian ka inchela italian local companies ka chan ke international company ka italian so monaterma ke bano he ngola pa shige yo loren ke je kaba moya ni he ni email akira pawna kaba moya ni he ni user so email fuck you who can use someone email idiot leaders yina la ma yela de ba nai kaba sam de mo ni he ni na men gome ya ke sam ma sheya ke na la ka da gwa fa ma ke pai كان تسان لاتركن كارن من نزاي على كسان لاتركن بقولنا AI يوما يوما كانما 2020 ما سان ما زونو ما بيتكا من با دوانه يمي حساب يلا ngomiri yala bibi hila trekman bana mponda ndumana na maki saha afa kam mun ma la tuta ma bam pele bam saban le fon na no maki saha nka pa yi ne to no borshe ami personne close ma mboro mi ato hanu de bopa bansan dan kam mal kan dan kan kar ka de gwa fa ma ke pa larbano bon kwabre ana musa ne kana bo satu a ibn ana ibrahim ne kana bo satu bief won satba ama tiji sa shemo qur'an bo zam to zam be tarhe ntuntu anyam kama benda bian bon kwabla on pourra jono konko mo pour mon bo so pour jono le hal 2023 ma brana kashi bon problème chez mo ka british ngal la treba asante kinma la sa ka bu de boîte la sa ka bra de boîte gana comme Burkina présentement mamonye asante kinma abanyela na jowa laying here. I see this king Kanwan visiting the funeral in town where he made the soldiers pushing him. Doma, Brekun Nama. Brekun king Kanwan visit the funeral the Asante Kingdom. He made a soldier pushing him. He knows, get relationship with the Boon. He don't want Boon because Boon show him power. The Gomez can give him power opportunity. So he want to take that opportunity. He cover everywhere. He can't cover everywhere. The Gomez, number one, no one defeat the Gomez in the Gonja. My person, if you say the Gomez, my person the amount. What the amount? Bembla the amount. Beaucoup the amount. Beaucoup the small little bit. Not too much. So you never been the Ghana Ken. That la trick, him that time, that Burkina young guy. You know what they do? The money the packing that continue, but that time they discard because the insult them coming. No small insult. Because that electric, sometimes they can make, everybody will sleep in the bed. I'll go stand outside. They will grind all the building. I do research coming. Britain's fix it. When they want fix it, Asante, they give the statement to them. They say they have to fix it, and the Gomba guy, they're not concerned them. So when they give me document international protect here, they say they turn my hand, they give Asante guy. 2020 request. 2021, they own it again. 2022, they own it again. They take it, they own it, they take it. But that task, that 3,000 I'm supposed to receive it, where I receive every month I will receive the 1,280. They sit down up all the other money. I work in the 9 pass everyone. German president. I'm not talking about a German councillor. I'm talking about a president. When you visit Ghana, go direct to the president. What do you need it? The relationship you have in the Ghana. Don't make your mind going to Asante Kingdom. Asante Kingdom is not a Ghana kingdom. You are a German king. You cannot choose the king for us in the Ghana. German president, your excellency. Your grandfathers, they buried them. I say your grandfathers, they buried them in the Ghana North. You go there, you don't go visit the Nagewa. Your grandfathers come, north they go. They don't sit down everywhere. You go there, you don't go visit there. You visit the old Asante, you go to Asante Kingdom, where your grandfathers buried there. Go see. Go Arabo. I'm thankful the video too long. I need international leaders to remove that AI inside my body. That Asante Kingdom, the stick contact like France to give me negative. Where I already get international protect because they try to change the name here. I tell you cannot change that name. That record is very heavy. That record is really very heavy. You can cancel that separate. So you write the name Mumun separate here, Muhammad separate here. I tell you the name is Sibri Muhammad Mumun. Sibri is my father's name. Mumun Muhammad Mumun is my name. If I tap my family name like that, I take that one movie. I like that one. You can't cancel it. So you give me negative. It's no problem. You are doing the research coming. You see who writes. But if that one make it follow, they do the challenge with that Burkina guy. The Burkina guy with Asante, they know 100% is me. So France president, there's some Arabs average where they spend that money. I don't know the United Nations spending that money to them or I don't know the place to get that money spending. Beyond that, no, I know. The people who get that money where they know my email, them, they monitor them because they see that the people who witness my everything, who know my everything, they take the power, show them, they quit their money power. A debate, the money can have it. They say I have that big money. Now they spend more, that money give that young guys. France Emmanuel Macron to their Africans to help him power. Sometimes they divert that big money go Africa, they divert that money go this Burkina young guys side in the Mali, in the Cote d'Ivoire. The chop it, they take against you, France against. You still give me negative. Your reason you still take the AI inside my body. You give me trouble. You give me negative. Your reason you can't cancel that silver. France politicians. If your security slip, you destroy the young guys in the France future. Me, I can't leave it in my heart. I will let it come out. That you joking with this Burkina young that they get an opportunity to remove themselves for France. What you want to do then? You take that big money, give them, they chop it there. Challenge my email. Just email in the phone enter a woman. Nonsense. The phone enter a woman. You if you go one punish, you won't punish idiot leaders. I salute you in a good leader, not you. If you are a good leader, not you. And I give a statement to Britain's kingdom and the British prime ministers. Boris Johnson said them make the council that AI inside my body in Italy. But France take it the World Cup. Even though it take the 10 times World Cup, you never get that money. The more France have it inside my body, they still give me negative. I wait them. If that security no monitor their politicians, they will lose everything in Africa. You can't be nothing in the Europe. They take the AI game in trouble. Where I'm speaking, they use security. That AI is dangerous thing. The AI the AI they take doing the machines in the new wonderful thing. No, that one. The AI that fits in the human being body is dangerous. Work of your politicians, all your, Cote d'Ivoire called them $1 of that case. So he never protect. He never pretended. Senegal, all of them. This news Senegal come. New president Senegal is coming. The old president, everything is smart because our friend of French Senegal, accept. This new one coming, you put the money to him. Later him to know I am right because I still contact with their children that Italy. The contact enter their children. They know that email is me. So if my phone enter is a woman, your phone in short, you are a God can punish anyone. You France is great. I salute you all. Some of them are grandfathers, some of them are fathers, some of them are level my size. You leave the politicians waiting the doing going, you will lose everything in Africa. That case they take them the challenge. Some politicians today in the France here, they call the debate money, big money, not me. They give them trouble. And the AI them about you not treat me. You sit down, you security sit down, so your ruling in the Africa going. Which time you want to that? Which time you want to get that power, quality that power back again? Which time you want to get that power? I salute international leaders. I speak that statement to the John Mahama. You never do nothing. I never see nothing you do. The nothing you want to do, I salute it. Break the young children going to carry things their head. That one is my concern. All the northern fat northern region. Even some of them, a lot of them, the carrots they are head. Stop that things. Produce the local rice. Shipping the yam produce the yam for all the Arab continent, all the different countries. Too much yam in Ghana. Why I leave this thing inside the Ghana? The potato all 30% potato have taste. Yam get 100% taste. The yam is no one way yam. We have about that different yam getting to 15 yam, different tastes. Why you leave that one is poorly, you make the knowledge cannot get that good job. Shooting that one, take the cargo plane, shooting the different countries. And you're building the train highway to the north, to washing the iron with the gold, the minerals. Stopping shooting the children because the north get the water. Even though they get the water, but they drink the water with the animals somewhere in the north. You listen, you cannot give them, you cannot generate the water to them inside city. Normal city. Their children go somewhere, you give them nonsense. That one you will do, I will salute you. Before you want to go out, it remains more you to complete 1 year, another 1 year. Let that thing start. You produce that thing inside the Ghana. Local rice, no rice can enter. That northerners, they will go, everybody will go do. If they do the rice farm, they know government will buy it. So if you government buy it, you bring it to the market. So you are doing things. The yam, you can promote that yam for different countries, different countries. The money will come to the country. So they are developing it. palm oil, oil, what they call that, no palm oil, that other, no, oil. My language, the government, we are called it tama. The tama oil, they can produce it more. Oil, go give us oil free. They can plant it again. You produce all that thing. You know if you do it. You do me evil at that time, you time. If you know, stop it for this idiot king who make this one the Ghana water. I said that private jet, you will do the research when you get that money by that private jet. Because you know the king. Where you get that money? You take catching the young children, you jailing a lot of people in the jail. Well, they don't know that the king give them chance to spoil that water. Him no be Ghana king. How much land have it? The gold no be all you, no be Asante Kingdom get the gold. The gold get every corner. They never touch it. You buy a private jet, you must do research about that one. One guy do that video in the TikTok. I speak it. If that private jet come out, we'll question him. Yesterday I saw him with that private jet. Him get that private jet. One guy Asante guy do that video say him get that private jet. We place a game on get that private jet. Joa getting to 28 parliament chief. Any that parliament chief, one parliament chief, before you want to get that parliament chief, you will pay money. No be small money. You know buy it. If you want travel, it travel with the military aircraft. You want your special. You have never been the Ghana king. I tell you, Asante Kingdom. Thank you.